Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 2025 Polaris RZR Pro R4 Sport. My god. Okay, so let me be honest with you. I actually opened this just to see whether it has any wrapping on top of the car. Okay, let me show you that. So I bought this for I think 179, which is the MRP. So this is pretty much available nowadays in every outlet, even small fancy stores, Hamleys everywhere you can see. So let me just open it in this way itself. So as this is what I was actually wondering about, how it is packed. So nothing else is inside. So this is packed in this kind of tissue paper. Let me put this back. Okay, here is the casting itself. So let me be very honest with you guys. I personally like Matchbox over Hot Wheels any day, and this casting is really neat. But I do see there are no headlight or taillight details. That is really unfortunate. You can see the headlights here, but it doesn't have any details painted on it. Usually Matchbox has all the details like the headlight, taillight. I mean the pretty much every mandatory detailing you can see, you can think about. But it doesn't. This one doesn't have anything. But casting wise, this looks really cool. So you can see the Polaris logo here, Matchbox logo here, and at least the paint job is really neat, and the color scheme on this one looks really good. So let me see which part is metal. Even I am a bit confused in this one. Okay, the roof on this one, I think this is the roll cage. So this is plastic, and chassis is plastic. So only this part here, the gray part here, that is metal. Literally rest everything is plastic. The wheels are plastic. This is actually weightless. It is not really heavy at all. So I'm hoping somewhere around like 25 grams max, not more than that. Let me see. Yeah, 29 grams, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test now. That rolls really good. I mean, it is not too well, but it does its job. It reaches end of the track. That's what we want. Creates a lot of noise though. But overall, it's really neat casting. I mean, if you personally love ATVs or something like that, this is a neat casting. It has grill details. I mean, these kind of details it has, but they missed out on the headlight and taillight details. So let's rate this casting now. So I would rate like 9 out of 10 because I'm taking 1 for this missing headlight and taillight details. The rest everything looks really good. So a 9 out of 10. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.